Tersis has a plan to make Goa net zero over 2024. We solarize, hybridize. But wait, we need your help. Join the revolution. Give a missed call on 828693 8286.
रिव्ह्यू हल्ली मी रिव्ह्यू बरे भशेन जाला डेट्स रिव्ह्यू केल्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांक सगळ्यांक कशें काम चल्लां कितें काम तें कामा बद्दल थोडो इफेक्ट आशिल्लो पावस पडला त्या दिसा काम करूंक मेळना दुसऱ्या दिसा काम करूंक मेळना वॉटर टेबल्स हाय आसा मॅनहोल सगळे फ्लडेड आसा सो एक 2-3 दीस फाटीं ना डेट कांय पोस्टपोन करूंक ना आमी शिफ्ट वाडोवपाचें केलां पंप सुबेज घाल्या डेट वाडोवपाचें आनी चान्स ना आनी डेट वाडोवपाक ट्रायंग आवर बेस्ट टू कंप्लीट 7th May is election. If there is any hindrance towards polling stations or towards any election related machinery, I will have a meeting with the collector and we will see that these areas are cleared. We are working together and I think all agencies have come together for Panjim. Panjim has to get the benefit of this work and I would not like to comment on this, but I can say that we are putting our best foot forward. We have understood the gravity of the situation and all efforts are being made to see that Panjim gets this benefit by completion of this work. Yes, contractors, 1 or 2 contractors who have delayed have been pulled up again. We have taken some action. If action is being proposed, we will comment on it later.